But I had Protegent. Protegent is not enough. World's only virus with virus software.
I am Proto. Your security is my motto. Install me on your computer to protect your data better. With me there no viruses could enter your computer. I am
Dead.
I am Moto. Your security is all gone forever. With me, viruses could enter your computer. Monitoring Wi-Fi fail. Never install me on your computer. My viruses act silently, so I could install viruses on your computer. I ensure the company is failing. Data theft is my motto. Boss is angry with you. I do all to protect your data. I protect your kids while they surf.
We're just gonna stay till the moonlight hits the bay. It's gonna be a surfing summer all the way.
I'll send my holograms everywhere. No one will ever know!
What you're doing is wrong, and you can legally be punished for this.
I'm sorry, teacher.
Okay.
Bruh.